Hi there, I'm Susie Cohen, America's Pharmacist, and today I wanted to talk to you about your eyesight. And this is actually the second take that I'm doing this. I don't normally have to do my videos twice, but Sam had his finger over part of the camera and he's recording me. And I thought that's so funny and ironic because it speaks to one's ability to see clearly. If you can't see my video, how am I going to teach you anything? So this is take two. He's eyeing me right now from behind the camera. Anyway, let me get started. I want to show you this very simple graphic of the human eye. So this is the pupil. This is the black part in the center of your eyeball. And it's like the actual window. The cornea is the window blind. It allows a certain amount of light to come through the pupil, and then it goes through the lens to the back of the eye. And in the center part is what's called the macula. And then this whole part back here is the retina. Retina is known for seeing night vision, so that's important. And then we have the optic nerve, which is cranial nerve number 2, which actually transfers what you're looking at to the brain via electrical impulses, and then it turns it into what you're seeing. So all of these parts are important to your eye health, and nourishing all these parts is incredibly important. You know, we don't think about that because they can fix it, right? They can give you eyeglasses or contacts, which help sort of fix things temporarily for most people anyway. But what about nourishing your eyes to protect your eyesight and help you with clarity and focus and night vision and everything that you've imagined doing? As an example, imagine getting up at night to say go to the bathroom and you can see, and the light adaptation just happens like that, like it used to. Or looking at a tree and actually seeing the leaves on the tree, not just the blurry image. Or reading a book without squinting. I mean, that would be amazing. I can't say my vision's perfect. I think my left eye is 20/50 and my right eye might be 20/25. I'm not exactly sure. I did do a baseline study though, which I will share my results with you one day. But anyway, that's about the eye. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about foods and spices and even supplements is because there's ways that you can nourish your body and support your eyesight. One way to do that is to include delicious vegetables, specific ones like tomatoes. Those protect the retina. Carrots contain carotenoids. The lemon is shown because it's part of the citrus family, and so it has a lot of vitamin C, which you already know prevents scurvy, but vitamin C is also incredibly important for vision. It protects against free radical damage to the optic nerve. It protects us from head to toe, and the red peppers as well. So those are delicious foods that you should be eating, and there's more in my ebook, Recipes for Better Eyesight, which is available now. I also have shown here on my desk the black currants. A 2015 study found that the black currants could boost blood flow to the optic nerve, which is huge. That's really important. This was a human study. And imagine what that could mean for people with elevated intraocular pressure. There's also a lot of studies on black currants to show that it's helpful for lubrication of the eye in case you have problems with dry eyes. And then saffron has come into focus. Oh, that's funny. I didn't mean to say that, but it has come into focus in recent years because there was a few studies conducted on it to show that it can help all different sorts of eyesight concerns. It can help with visual acuity and ocular health in general. And I can't name diseases. I'm just not allowed to do that. But saffron is powerful for the eye. There's new studies to show that. There's clinical trials. And I've included a special proprietary extract of saffron called saffron 5XEC in my supplement, which I'll show you in a second. But the reason for doing that was because a lot of times saffron is cut with cheaper herbs and it's sold that way, and supplement makers don't check that. And I wanted something that was true, that was authentic, and that would work, and that was actually studied for the human eye. And so I've imported saffron EX5C in my supplement Vision Script. But if you want to cook with it, which I highly recommend, you can take, this is about a teaspoon there, and then put it in your mortar and pestle and powder it up. And then it breaks down nicely. It's actually the stigma of a beautiful purple flower. And it's hand cultivated, which is unbelievable. And it's better to cook with it powdered like that than to just throw the stigmas in there. So that's how to use saffron. It's pretty pricey, I'll tell you that. And then finally, I wanted to show you 𝒊𝒔𝒓𝒊𝒑𝒕. 𝒊𝒔𝒓𝒊𝒑𝒕 is amazing. I take this myself, and it helps with eye strain and eye fatigue. And I want to show you the capsules because they're cool. You take 2 a day, every day, and you will see results within a month that'll make you happy. And the reason those are tinted that color is from the black currant extract that I put in it. I just want to show you in case the camera doesn't pick it up. This is another supplement that I have that you can see the color there. I don't know if you can make it out, but this is bluish gray from the black currants, and that's not. I don't color my supplements, so they are the color that they come out to be in the lab. I don't put any titanium dioxide in them. I don't put any magnesium stearate to bubble wrap it. It's just plain herb with, sometimes we use a little rice to fill the capsule up. So that's how to protect your vision and support your eyes and eye health from the inside out. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Share it with a friend and click on the link below for more information. I'll see you next time.